Hey guys.
Hey guys, สวัสดีค่ะ
Sawadee Cup. Hey, I'm over here at another cafe. Quick review for you guys. It's called The Oxygen, and it's kind of in between Jomtien and Pattaya. I think it's called Prop Not Kill. Anyways, we're gonna check it out and get something to drink, get something to eat, and just kind of chill out for a moment. It's their soft opening, so it's brand new. So this might be one of the first videos on it. There you go, the Oxygen Beachfront Oasis. Let's go.
Wow.
Kind of cool.
Yes. Wow.
Yeah, here at the Oxygen. Gonna take a peek. So yeah, it's got a lot of selfies, stations, all that stuff around here. So if you have a Thai friend, here's the place to come. Do we need to wait? All right, good place for selfies, since that is a huge thing here. Got some cool groovy music. Again, this is the soft opening. And my security guard here doing her dance. It's definitely nice. Do you like the music?
Wow, just
Kitty is kitting. Yeah, it's got a cool little vibe. Good little chill vibe here. Cool, let's walk all the way down. Let's check it out. A lot of seating areas. But I think what's coming up in front of us is going to be the reason why this place is expected to be quite the new spot here. So again, we're between Pattaya, Jomtien, Prop Not Kill, on the other side of Big Buddha towards the water, and take a look at what we get to look at. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. This reminds me of a place called The Cave in also Jomtien. At nighttime, this probably looks cool.
Yes.
Yes. Lots of lights.
Yes.
And just having this ocean view right here, that's pretty fun. And I don't know if you need table service or what do you call reserve a seat. And some of the new trendy places, you have to start reserving your seats now online or on Facebook. So beautiful day. And yeah, it looks like you could walk all the way down here, walk along the water. There's Koh Lan right there, right in front. So it looks like you big groups here, bring big groups. Cool, huh? All right, Kitty wants to check this out over here. You got a full bar right over here, groups, and you got these little seating areas. You think that's cool?
Yes.
Or do you want to sit up there?
Up to you.
Up there.
Up to you, after you.
So we're gonna sit up there. That looks like it's a group made for a large group. Yeah, let's go up there. Let's do it. Again, called Oxygen.
ปิดนะก่อนไม่ทันแล้วปะตรงไหน
Little private room right here. Kitty? Here or right here? Or right here?
Up to you.
Over right here.
Okay.
All right. Cool. We're gonna take this area right here. So maybe this place isn't that new. Maybe it's a place that just moved. Menus are old, but oh, and lots of pictures. So that's cool. So maybe somebody can leave in the comments how long has this place been here. It says soft opening. Hopefully these are pretty good. A little pricier than normal. Mango cafe, mango smoothies. I think I'm gonna get an iced latte or something like that. This looks really good. Or a frappuccino of some sort. Right now I'm just looking at the pictures, guys. What do you guys think? Does this sound like it's calling my name right here? Alright guys, so we placed our order. It's quite the menu, quite a lot to look at. They got a full alcohol, hard liquor menu as well. Again, I'm not sure what this place was called before the Oxygen. It just opened apparently, and it's a soft opening. So we're here just kind of hanging out and enjoying the view. We got Kolan across the way, hanging out to music. And yeah, what do you think?
I like.
All right, we like so far. All right, guys, this is what we got to eat, got to drink. Some rice, something that's pretty spicy, apparently. What's this called?
อันนี้ข้าวผัดทะเลซีฟู้ด
Say it one more time.
ข้าวผัดทะเลซีฟู้ด
Khao Pad Thai seafood.
Yeah.
And then this is an asparagus with a shrimp. And then this is a
ปลาหมึกทอดกระเทียม
bamuk takiam.
ทอดกระเทียมปลาหมึกทอดกระเทียม
There it is. That's what it is. So we're gonna eat this, taking our pictures, our selfies. We're gonna eat it, have a good time. We'll let you know how it goes.
Okay.
All right, these little rings here, these calamari type rings. Definitely a little chewy. Yeah, they're chewy. Tastes good. Flavor's excellent.
Spicy.
That's spicy?
Yes.
Spicy for a Thai girl? So, is it too much for me? Should I try?
Yes.
Alright guys, I'm not a big fan of like crazy spice, and if it's spicy for her, I'm a little nervous. So we're taking a tiny little bite. Let's see how it goes. Man, it's got a lot of flavor in it.
Okay.
Not too bad. Wow, that is spicy. Holy cow. That tastes good. Very good. And if you want more spice,
Yeah.
I'll make it very hot. There she is. Oh my gosh, my mouth is burning up. Wow. All right, let's try some of this. This is an asparagus. I don't know what it's cooked with. I love asparagus, so I actually ordered this. Shrimps come really big. One of the biggest complaints I get over here is that the shrimps, they don't take the tails off. So you do have to take it off here, which is not that big of a deal. It just means I gotta take it off the fork and go from there. So, yep, there you go. It's like magic. Let's give it a try.
Yummy, yum.
Yeah, a lot of flavor. Very good. Not spicy at all. That's spicy.
Yeah.
Very spicy. So we got the spice, a little chew, a little chill, and some rice to wash it all down. Yeah, she demolished this dish, and it was burning hot. I could only have like a bite or two of it. I did pretty good myself. good food. Ambiance is pretty good. You can't get much better view than this, especially when you walk out there and you're in the water. All right, guy, here's the bill of the oxygen. There it is. So 1,100 baht, so about 33 bucks for what you saw in this whole ambiance, including drinks. 33 bucks. All right, we got the boss of the oxygen just sub to my page. All right, what's your name?
Ju, my name Ju.
Ju?
Ju.
Ju. Oh, like choop choop?
Chú chú.
Oh, okay. There we go, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe. I appreciate every one of y'all. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Be sure to like, subscribe. Peace out.